What's up, guys? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to solve the second layer of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And now to do this, we have to find an edge piece without yellow on it. And I've found one, which is orange and green. And we look either on our right side or our left side to see if this color matches. So if this edge piece needs to go right here to the left side, then the algorithm that we do is up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Okay, and I will leave all of the algorithms down in the description. So now we find another piece without yellow. Right here, we got a green and red piece. So we can't do it like this because it's not matching, so we have to move it to its matching centerpiece. And we figure out which side it's going on. This is orange and this is red, so we can't do that. Now these are both red, so again, it's going to the left side. So it's up inverted, left, up, left, alright, I just got finished with that one. Now, I'm going to be showing you the right side case for the edges. Alright guys, so here is an edge piece that needs to go to the right side. And to do this, we use the algorithm up, R, up inverted, R inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. This algorithm will be down in the description if you need to look at it again. Now here it goes to the left, so it's up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Alright, now here's our last one, and just do that algorithm. So hopefully you've understood this so far. That was our middle layer. Now we'll be moving on to get the cross. Okay, so there are 4 different cases that you can get. And, there's 4 different cases that you can get. And one of them is this. We're not worrying about these corner pieces yet. All we're worrying about is this edge piece. All of these have the exact same algorithm that you learn. It is front, R, U, R inverted, up inverted. Oops, I accidentally said U, but U still. Oops, my bad. I had to pause the video there because my camera fell. Okay, but we have the cross, and this is what it needs to look like. And if you already have this, then you can go ahead and go skip to the video to the next part. So here is the solved cross. I will show you one of the cases. Alright, wait a second, okay. Alright, there we go. Okay, this is the one that you have to do the most on. This one, you have to do front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, and then front inverted. And then you get this L shape. You have to put it all the way up into the top left corner and do front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now once you have that, you will have the line, and you do the same algorithm. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted. And now you have the cross. Now, what we have to do after the cross is to make all of these edge pieces in the correct spot. To do this, so the algorithm that we're going to be learning to orientate the edges to make them all look like this is it's right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, 2, right inverted. So that is our algorithm, and to perform the algorithm correctly, you have to have some pieces in the correct spot. Okay, so this red and this green are already solved, right? So you need to have one in your right hand and one in the back. And then if you perform that algorithm, and then do one more upturn, then all of your edges will be solved. Now we've got to learn another algorithm, and this is for putting the corners in their places. This algorithm will be, oh wait, my bad. You have to have a corner in your bottom right corner, I guess, and the algorithm is up, R, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Okay, so you are one step away from solving the Rubik's Cube. Do you remember that algorithm that I showed you in the first part of this series, which is the R prime, or R inverted, down inverted, right, down, right? So all you have to do is hold it where one of these corners, one of the all unsolved corners, are in the bottom right pocket, and you just do right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. And then once the corner gets in its correct spot, even though it looks like it's messing everything up, it's not if you do this correctly. So it's right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. And now you are one turn away from solving your first Rubik's Cube. Thank you guys for watching. And now I will show some other cases for some algorithms. Alright, so here's one case where there are two edges solved, but they are not right next to each other. So you just do that same algorithm for the edge orientation with one edge in front and one edge in the back, and you do right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, right inverted. And then that gives you one solved right here and one solved right here. So you just turn the cube, make sure one's in your right and in the back, and you perform that same algorithm. And now you've got all of them solved. Alright guys, now the next rare algorithm, or rare case, is where no corners are in their correct spot. See, none of them match. And what you have to do is that same corner algorithm that I taught you from any angle, like as long as it's on the as long as your yellow is on the top. So what you do is up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left inverted. Now once you've got that, you can solve the cube with the R prime, D prime, R, D. Alright guys, so that will be it for this series of how to solve the Rubik's Cube. This is Parody Cuber. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye.